Hello UK Locksport forum and fellow pickers. I've got the second Lockwood that Nev sent from us all the way from Australia. I'm sorry about that last video about the gutting and it took so long, because like I said, I'm not used to gutting on video. I'm not that confident. But anyway, I hope you've all seen that there were regular pins in the last one, but I found it very hard to pick this lock. Anyway, I'm gonna have a go at SPPing this one. So as you can see, it's locked up. I'm using a pry bar and a homemade pick. Just trying to get so you people can see. Gotta keep going on and off with the tension. 1 second. That'll be better. There's a high pin in the back, so I'm going to swap over to my gem. So I can set it. Another thing I wanted to say was Triggs is doing a brilliant job at picking. So was Valiant Thor when he picked that Everlock. Really skillfully done. Not an easy lock to pick as well. I think now I've got one pin to set. There we go. That's the Lockwood number 2 picked open. Now I'm not gonna gut this, because as you all know, I make a mess, but I will put the pictures up on the side, or I'll probably put it up on the next video. Thank you very much for that.